What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna see a global variable. For example, equals to global variable, but we are gonna create a function, the func1, and we're gonna print the value console with log global variable variable comma x. That's our function. We're gonna call it function one func1, and let's go ahead and run this print. So this is, you can see a global variable is a variable which is outside of a function, and we can call it from different functions. Let's run it, and we can see the variable here, global variable. That's right. So, and also we can print it outside of the function. Print outside of function. We call it right now. Let's check this out. We're gonna head and run it. Outside of the function, we can see a global variable. We can use it inside and a function and outside of the function. And that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. I'm Ricky.